Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will review Forex Fury. Forex Fury is an automated trading robot for MT4 and MT5 platforms, claiming to board 93% win rate with the verified results via MyFixPay. It is made for both beginners and advanced traders, offering adjustable risk level and a quick 5-minute setup with video guides. It works with more brokers and aim for monthly returns of 10 to 20%, but only trades in specific market conditions a few times per day. Support is responsive and updates are free with a one-time payment. Pricing start at $249.99 and a one live account or $459.99 for two diamond account both with unlimited demo licenses. However, like all trading boards, results are not guaranteed. Market volatility, unexpected trends, and risk of loss still apply. It is a helpful tool, but success depends on smart use and realistic expectations. Final thoughts. Forex Fury is a legit and useful for semi hands-free trading, but it is not a magic. And do your own research in a good way. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.